We're going to Texas Superbikes for our first big meet. Oh my god, that's so exciting. There's gonna be like, I'm guessing at least 100 bikes there. That would be fucking sick. I am so excited. This is gonna be dope. Anyways, we finna hit up that. I will see y'all when we are pulling up. Holy shit. Oh my god. Dude, holy shit. Look at these hoes. It's so clean. A V4. CX10RR. Holy fuck. M1000. Yo, so sick. It's gonna be popping way more here in a little bit, hopefully. Alright, I'll catch y'all whenever it's more popping. There's so many sick fucking bikes. Oh my god. Dude, these guys are crazy. S1K. SX10R6. This motherfucker pulled up over there and revved it, dude. It was like a gunshot, but like 30 times louder. Oh my god. If it was close to you, it would easily blow your eardrums. It's just so ridiculously loud. It's insane. Oh my god, these guys are probably fast as fuck. Jesus. Oh my god, is that an RS4? Oh my god, it is. Damn, these guys are clean. Oh my god, dude, this tail. Oh, what the fuck? I've never seen a cam right there. Yeah, this R1 is sick. This 1K, dude, titanium exhaust. R1, oh my god, these bikes are so cool. So they're so sick. Oh, it's my bike. I was like, someone's seat's fucked up. Oh, the broken ass exhaust, bro. Yeah, I don't like it.
It ain't got no. Bro. It doesn't. It's missing a bearing right here.
Oh my god, that's.
Get on the R6?
Yeah.
The R6 is a...
This bitch looks tall.
It's weird.
Oh my god, it's taller than his.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my god. Dude, look at this hoe. Oh my god, it's clean. Damn, 7,000 for this? Damn. This bitch has a cat. This bitch has a cat.
Where? Oh.
It's gonna kill the cat's eardrums. The hell?
Cat's scared. Get the cat out of here. Look, that's like you. That guy in the corner over there, he's just standing there on his bike. Oil farming. That's like you.
I would if I had one of these. Oh, you didn't see this, did you? When you were looking at the bike, you didn't see this, did you? No, I'm just fucking with it. Holy shit. Dude, this hoe is clean. Oh my god. So sexy. Damn, look at this H2. Holy fuck. This thing is sexy. Oh my god. Okay. R1, dude. Oh my god, these guys are so clean. Oh shit. Oh shit. There it is. Bro, what the hell?
Bro, there. I didn't know fucking word.
That comes down. You heading home? Alright. What the hell?
Hey, bro, my rear brake just gave out.
Really?
You don't want that on. That's so embarrassing.
Oh my god, this bitch is heavy.
Yeah, bro, that's embarrassing. Bro, my rear brake just gave out. That's crazy.
Like it just stopped working?
Yeah. It's not existent now.
It doesn't work?
It's literally right here. This. That's the.
Oh, what the fuck?
Bro, you see? What the fuck?
Damn, okay.
Damn.
That really wasn't that bad.
No, bro. I can't believe it. I was like, oh shit, it's not working.
Dude, that guy that drove by almost hit you.
Really?
Yes. What the hell?
Bro, it's non-existent. I'm not joking. I was just using it on the freeway. Imagine that shit went out on the mid-wheelie.
I think you're out.
Son of a bitch. No.
Dude, are you shitting me?
I just bought this.
Are you out of rear brake fluid? Am I tripping or does it look empty? Open it.
It's empty.
Oh my god. Bro, oh my, no, do not.
That's cool. That's cool.
Oh, okay. I was about to be like, you're cooked. Are you ready?